Hi guys. Okay, so today in math we are talking about something a little different. We have some special words. So first we're going to look at these words, the vocabulary, okay? So the first one I want to show you is before. Can you say it? Before. It starts with the letter B. Before. Now, before means to go back, kind of like what's behind us, okay? What happened before, or the number that is before. I wrote a number 1. What number comes before 1? That would be 0. 0 is before 1, okay? Before means what happened already, what we've already done, okay? The next one is during. Can you say it? During. That's a D right there at the beginning. D. During. And that means at the same time or while it's happening, like right now. During class. During the show. Okay? What's happening right now. Okay? The last one is after. Can you say that? After. Good job. That means next. Next. Okay? So after the movie, what do you always do? I always have to go to the bathroom because I've been sitting and waiting and I didn't want to miss anything. So after the movie, I have to go to the bathroom. After I eat turkey and have Thanksgiving dinner, after I eat that, I want to take a nap. So that's like the next thing. Okay, that's after. So what I have up here is on the dry erase board, some stuff for us to look at. And here it says before. Okay, so I drew some things so we could talk about our class. So when our small group starts online, this is the big dot for when class starts. This is something called a timeline. Can you say that? Timeline. Yeah, you'll hear of that word lots and lots of times. You know, when you have to make things and when you think about things, how you have to put things in order, it's a timeline. Okay, so this is when class starts. What happens before class starts? Before. So I drew an arrow going backwards. So before, you have to get in a chair, you have to get seated, right? You have to get dressed, right? Yeah, you got to get dressed. You got to get your computer or your iPad turned on. You got to get logged in. So all that happens before we even see each other for our class. Before, okay? So like before you eat breakfast in the morning, you got to get up and get out of bed, right? Unless you're eating breakfast in bed. Yeah. Excuse me. Let's see. Before you have lunch, what do? You wash your hands. You got to sit down. Maybe you have to help set the table or get the things out. I don't know. Before something happens, what do? Okay, before you go outside, you got to put on your shoes. You gotta get ready. Got to get your stuff together if you're going to leave the house. Okay. Now the next word is during. During class. This is the line right here. What are some of the things we do during class? What do? You learn. And I put some little music notes. I put sing. We sing. We talk. That person is not throwing up. They're talking. Okay. They're talking. They're not yelling. They're talking. Okay. Right, Marcelo? Yes. Okay. So talk. This person's smiling, so I put laugh. We laugh together and we have fun in class, don't we? Yeah. And this is Play-Doh. We make things with our hands. We can make letters or numbers or shapes. Those are just some of the things we do during class. Okay? This is during, while it's going on. While it's going on. So if we want to talk about while you're in the car, during the car ride, maybe you watch a video on your iPad. Maybe you talk to your family. Maybe you sing to the radio. during my drive to school in the mornings, I turn on the radio and I listen to the Christmas music. Yeah, that's what I do. During the evening time on my drive back home, I listen to Christmas music again. Yeah. Let's see. During my dinner, at home when I'm eating dinner, my husband and I and my brother will usually watch TV. Yeah. While it's going on, that's during. Okay. The last one is, okay, that's the big dot. That's class ends. When our small group ends, then the word is after. Can you say it? After. So after class, this little boy or girl is jumping, like, yay, class is over. Maybe that's Miss Man. Yay, class is over. Okay. So after class, what do you do? Well, I gotta go to the bathroom. I know, it seems like all I do is go to the bathroom right now. So maybe that's your time to go get a snack. Maybe that's your time to get to go outside and play a little, or you get to play a video game. Okay, I don't know. Maybe you get to get out your toys for a little bit. After something ends, then you do something else after. So after you eat dinner in the evenings, do you get your bath? Maybe you help clean up. After we get the dogs in at my house, we always have to feed them. Yeah, we got to always feed the dogs after we get them back in from being outside in the backyard. After you get up in the morning, you get dressed, then you brush your teeth, right? So there's things that happen after. When something stops, then what's after that? Okay? So these are important words. These words help us understand. It's called the time of things and how things happen in time. It's real important. Yeah. So I'm very proud of you. I hope that today, when you make your video, you can send me a video and tell me something that you do before class, something we do during class, and something you do after class. So if this was me making a video, I could say, Miss Man, before class, I have to get dressed and get ready and sit down. Or maybe you want to say, that's my time to eat a snack before class. During class, I have to listen and I sit down and I sing and we talk during class. After class, I get to play with my toys for a little bit before I start my assignments. So tell me one thing you do before, one you do during, and one you do after, okay? And then that's in your video. And then your assignment also is going to be this page. It says short and tall. So you're going to cut out those cute little giraffes. Now, you can also put them in a pattern like we did yesterday with the gorillas. You make a little pattern first, and then show me the pattern, and then you can glue them down short and tall, okay? Because the more practice we get making a pattern, the better we're going to be at math and at language arts, okay? Okie dokie, guys. You're doing a super job doing your assignments each day. Awesome. Okay. See you soon. Bye-bye.